guys, welcome to this video. In this video you will learn how to install JDK on your machine. So the first step of Java development is setting up JDK on your machine. So what you will have to do, you will have to open a browser and you will have to type here JDK. You will have to go for the first link. You can see here it's oracle.com and you will click here Java downloads. Here you can see there are different versions of Java, Java 20 and Java 17. So I will recommend you to go for Java 20. That is the latest version of Java. However, you can go for any other version of Java as well, for like Java 17, Java 11, Java 8, whatever. If you have any requirements, so you can go for any other version of Java. So here you can see it's Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So you can select as per your operating system. As I'm using Windows, so I will click on Windows. Okay, so further here you can see it's installer and archive file. So there are two ways to install JDK. I would like to go for archive file. So then in the second video I will also tell you how to get JDK installed by using this installer or exe file. So first I will click here on this link and it will start downloading. So as you can see that I have already downloaded it to just to save the time, uh, as it was expected to take 2 to 3 minutes. However, the internet is a bit faster now and it's not taking that long. So what we'll do, we will simply go here to our downloads, and you can see here JDK 20 is downloaded. So we can simply copy it and I can make a new folder here. You can make a new folder anywhere where you can where you think that it will be convenient for you. So I'm creating this folder right here because I just need to show you how to install it. So here I will paste and then I will extract it here. So it has extracted the file. So I will go into this file and I will go into bin folder further, and I will copy this address from here. Okay. So okay, now you have Java 20 on your machine. Either you install by an exe file or by using this archive file. What you will have to do after extracting this archive file, you will have to open system environment variables. We will type here env and it's expected to show system environment variables. Okay, environment variables, and then here you can see its path, and here you can see already I have Java 17 installed. So if I open cmd here and I say uh, java dash version, okay, so you can see Java 17 is installed. So what I'm going to do, I will close this one, I will paste the new path here for Java 20, okay, and I will press OK. Then I will come down here and here you will see Java home. Here you will set the path for Java 20. So you will press OK. You are all set. So to confirm it that if your machine is now using Java 20 or Java 17, you can again open CMD here. If you have already CMD opened, you will have to close it and you will have to open the newer one and you will see say Java version here. Okay, you can see now it's loading Java 20. Okay, So if you have to install JDK with exe file, then the same process you will follow, but you will have to install it with a bit different way that I will show you in the second video. So I hope uh, you will like the video and this video helped you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.